Hello guys, in today's episode we are told to find the term t if we have a certain condition. So let's rearrange and see what we can do about it. So clearly we are having for this, we have x and x, right? So that means from the law of, well, let me just rewrite it. This is x power 5r over x power 3r minus 2s. This is not 25 but 2s. Pardon my s that looks like 5. This is equals to x power t. From the law of indices, recall that whenever you have something like a power x over a power y is equals to a power x minus y, right? So I'll be using the same rule here. I'll apply it here now, right? So this means I'm going to have x, which is because I have x and x on the left hand side. Actually, this is going to be 5r, the one at the top. I'm subtracting the one at the bottom based on this condition, right? Minus, what do we have at the bottom? We are having 3r minus 2s, which is equals to x power t, right? So that now we can do something here. We can at least rearrange. And don't forget, we have a condition that they give, that if r plus s is 6. So let's see where we can actually substitute that. So this is x power 5r minus, minus times 3r is 3r. Minus and minus, we make it a plus. We're having 2s this time around to be equals to x power t, right? So that this is 5r minus 3r, that's 2r. So x power 2r plus 2s to be equals to x power t. And don't forget, we are solving for t. So now we have same basis. That means we can equate the power, our usual law of indices that we're familiar with. So for this, I'll just assume I've cancelled this out. I'm left with 2r plus 2s to be equals to t. Let me write it from this side. 2r plus 2s. So let's do something here. T is equals to 2 is common, so I have 2 into r plus s. But they said r plus s is equals to 6. That means I can substitute 6 for r plus x. That means t is equals to 2 times r plus x. I'll substitute 6. That means t is equals to 2 times 6, 12. That means t is equals to 12 is the solution to what the question said we should calculate here. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode.